Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I wanted to share with you really quick. I know I shared a prize that I won from Elena for crafts, and I wanted to show you guys what I had made with this graphic 45 8x8 paper pad. Now I still have quite a bit, probably just less than half of the pad, so there's still room to make another project. But when I saw her giving this away, I immediately imagined what I would do, and here we go. I made a mini album, and this is one of my favorite pages from that paper pad, and I thought I would make this really pretty blue, the primary color that would stand out. So this is the front, and it's a really small mini album, but I already know what pictures are going to go in there, and they aren't very many, therefore I made it super small. So this is trim that I had purchased from the 99-cent only store that is a couple of hours away one day that I was there, and I like this little ruffle. Or was it? Actually, it could have been Daiso. Anyway, this was in my stash. This comes from a big old roll that my BFF sent me. I want to say it's been over a year already. And this is a word. This word is a momenta, I think. And then together, and I popped that up on foam, black foam. And then I just added some bling pieces. These are recollections. And then I added this tiny little bling right there. Guys, you know what that is? My daughter made she made a diamond painting, and these are the little drills that are left over. She had, you normally get a lot of them left over, but yeah, they're left over from her diamond painting, and I went ahead and used them in this mini album. So I just love this page. And I didn't want to put too much on it because I didn't want to take away from the page. And then on the side, got some more of that bling. And then these little flowers, hopefully it'll focus. There we go. Those little flowers right here, those are sequins that my BFF sent me. And I put just a little drill right in the center there to complete the flower. And this is the back. And guys, as you know, I don't normally work with these colors, but I just thought this was so pretty. And the inside is pretty simple. So I've lined each page. It only has 4 pages. I lined each page with some of the printed graphic 45 sheets. And then on this side, this is my second favorite page, which is, all these houses, and they're just gorgeous. I made some little mats, and actually, we can put some more pictures on there, but, I wanted to put something on there. And then again, right here is the sequence with the little drills right in the center. And then this is a mat ready to go for a picture. Now, I know what you're saying. Why did I cover up the pretty paper? Because it's gonna get covered up either way. And I just thought a mat would look really pretty behind the picture. That's why I put this mat here. And then this page, I put some more of the bling on this side. I made another row of flowers on this side. And then I used the same paper for each page. Second one is the same. Third one is the same. And then on the last page, has this pattern on there just like the front. There we go. And then it's got a couple more mats on the back. There we go. And same page on the back. Yeah, I thought it turned out really pretty because I don't normally work with this color. I didn't even put a closure on it because it's so small it doesn't need one. Even with the pictures in there, it's not going to need a closure. See how thin that is? And, it's just not going to need a closure. There we go. All right, guys, I just thought I'd bring you in really quickly and show you what I have made. I don't craft on the weekends usually, because I work from Thursday to Sunday morning around 4 a.m. So I don't normally craft, and I had to get my craft fix in before I left for work this afternoon. And yeah, all right, guys, hope you've enjoyed this little flip through, and I will talk to everyone later. Have a great day, ladies.